In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fonts and typography styles using Webflow. Webflow is a fantastic visual website builder that offers a variety of tools for crafting unique and beautiful websites. If you're looking to enhance your site's aesthetics with custom typography, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Webflow's website. You can do this by typing webflow.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once there, you'll see the home page with options to log in or explore their features. Go ahead and click on Log In, located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up for one. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. From here, you can access all your projects and site settings. Look for and click on the option labeled Site Settings. This is typically located under your project's name, and it's where you can adjust various configurations for your site, including your fonts. In the Site Settings menu, you'll find an option for fonts. Click on it to move forward. This is the section where you can manage all the typography options for your site. If you want to integrate Google Fonts into your project, simply click on the Google Fonts option. Webflow supports a vast library of Google Fonts, allowing you to select from a wide array of styles to best fit your design. After making your font selection, navigate to your project by clicking on it within your dashboard. Once in the project workspace, you can choose an element that you'd like to style. Click on that element to activate it. You'll notice a panel on the right side that provides various style options. To modify the typography, click on the Style tab, found generally just to the right of your workspace. This tab presents you with choices related to design like color, layout, and of course, typography. Click on the Typography option to see all the text style settings. Here you can adjust the font type, size, weight, line height, and letter spacing to create the perfect look for your site. Always remember to only use font styles that you need. Too many different fonts can make your website appear cluttered and distract from your content. Instead, focus on consistency and try to limit your site to just 2 or 3 fonts overall. This will help your site look clean and professional. That's it for creating custom fonts and typography styles in Webflow. With these steps, you can easily add unique typography to your site that enhances its overall design. Don't forget to experiment with different styles to see what works best for your project. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!